look what we got. We got a package, and you guys already know what's in here because that's what I'm talking about today. It's the MOBULA 7. This thing has had a ton of awesome reviews, and to be honest, it looks really awesome. And you know, I asked for a potato from quadracer.com. Thanks, John. Shout out to those guys. Are doing an awesome job. And oh yeah, look at that. Okay, I'm just unboxing it. I haven't even looked inside. Bunch of Happy Model stickers. Just get a manual. Here it is. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that beast. Okay, so you might not be thinking, oh, why you're so excited. Well, I'm gonna go and fly this soon. You get some spare stuff here, just like props and little screwdriver and a jumper lead. You get 2 batteries. I've got a massive set of batteries coming, so that'll be good. You get 4 batteries, and they're all the same type of batteries. And they're all meant for 2S. So what you do is you can put in, and you also get like a little dog's barking. You also get a little TPU thing to put in here, so you can put in 2 batteries at one time, and then you plug it into the other 2. That's my dog. I'm actually gonna have to see how this charger works because I don't know how it works. And I'll leave a link in the description of where to get this thing, and we're gonna go and charge up these batteries if I learn how to, and yeah, we're gonna get started with just seeing how it goes. Alright, recording DVR. There we go. If I can stand up straight. Whoa, okay. Alright. That is very fast. Okay, alright, here we go. This is so fast. Holy moly. This is on 2S, everybody. Just so you know. Wow, it feels really nice to fly. This is absolutely, you know, if I was Elon Musk, I would say this is epic. But I'm not, so I'm still gonna say it though. Holy crap. So I can see why everyone is liking this, because look how fast it is. Okay, I'm gonna try. Oh, okay, alright, the rates are a bit higher than I thought they were. Okay, so the reason why I think a lot of people are liking it is because it's a 2S, almost whoop class, that you can change to 1S if you want. And I haven't got my voltage reading, so I feel like I'm running out of battery here. It's small, and it's legal pretty much everywhere. So even in places, it's actually considered technically a toy because it's, I believe it's sub 100 grams. Which is really awesome. It flies really smooth. Oh, okay, just bounced off. Flies really smoothly, which is nice. Wow, this is very nice to fly. I think it can help people, especially if they want to get better at like flying in racing kind of conditions. They can get faster in not such a big area. You can see here. You know, I'm trying to train to get pretty good at racing and everything. Hitting these small gaps with a smaller drone is actually really helping, and I can already. Oh, okay. I can already feel that I'm getting better at just flying. Even I think it's Baby Ummy. Yeah. I can feel that I'm getting better at flying, and it's improving my skill, but it's not too big. It's just like in a tiny small area I can practice that. So that was my quick initial review of the MOBULA, epic MOBULA, Happy Model MOBULA 7, and I can't really base it off anything else, but from other people's opinions and from my own, it's really fast. It's really good. It's super smooth to fly, and a lot of people comparing it to the Emax little baby hawk or something like that, and saying it was a bit slower, which the baby hawk was, and then the Eachine trash can. Now the Eachine trash can was, I talked to Granger FPV about this, Granger from Stu's channel, and he was saying that the MOBULA was really nice to fly, yet the trash can was faster, but the trash can was it was just really fast. It was, you could see in Stu's video, there were like a few little oscillations especially when you went super fast, but this thing is just really smooth. So it's whether you want to kind of make that cut, whether you want to have that fast, really super fast, and have something faster than the MOBULA 7, because I'm pretty sure the Eachine trash can has been stated faster than it, but it doesn't fly as well. So that's why I went with the Eachine, the MOBULA 7. Hope you guys enjoyed this review. It was pretty short, but it's such a cool quad. I'm gonna have to fly this heaps more, and I've got more batteries coming. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Turnigy.